Well, good morning. This is an update on the project tractor here. I can zoom back far enough. So this is a late 70s or early 80s Bolens Iseki G192, which is also a TL1910 from Iseki. So pretty cool tractor. I've been working on it. I had a issue with the 3-point hitch lift that didn't work, so I had it off. There's some other videos where I had to get it apart, get the piston out, re-hone it, put it back together, some new seals, and got it going. So just got it back from a trip over to Maine to grade the camp road, and it worked like a champ. Very nice little machine. So 19 horse Isuzu 2-cylinder diesel, all mechanical, clutch, gears, no hydrostatic anything. One additional project is going to be the PTO doesn't work. I've felt around in the rear gear case. There's nothing broken, no busted splines or anything, so it's got to be somewhere up in the front here. I don't know if there's a shear pin or a spline coupling or something, but that'll be something for maybe the winter. So a nice little tractor. Needs a little help. I'm just working at painting it. Everything's good. Had to put a new battery in it. There's some kind of relay or something under the dash that if you don't disconnect the battery every time you shut it down, if you leave it for a couple days, the battery will be dead. And this is a Tractor Supply carry-all, which was like $170 and has worked out really well. I made a grader blade to do the driveway, which is about, I don't know, half mile long or so. So it's a 4x6, and I took some metal and attached it to the front. You can see, just to give it a wear edge, that worked out really well. I had it on an angle for pulling the stuff that was pushed off the road back into the middle of the road, and then set it square to be able to grade it off. And then this is an old Gravely dozer blade from an L, which I have in the garage apart. Will be another project, but this has worked good for some very light dozing. I may have to add some brackets to stiffen it up, but that should work good for snow plowing and some light dirt moving. So anyway, it needs more work, more painting, but she's a little sweetie. So affectionately known as Daisy Duke, Bolens Duke. Can't name a tractor after a guy, that would be weird. But Daisy was hot in the early 80s, and so was this, and so she's Daisy Duke.